How to dry shiitake mushrooms with sunlight. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. Okay, so in the last video, I shared with you about dried shiitake mushrooms, how they contain high amount of vitamin D, and they are great food to have in wintertime, right? So today I'll share with you how to dry them. So how to dry shiitake. Now, so there are several different ways of drying shiitake. I mean, you can use some kind of drying machine, in a room and so on. But the best way and the easiest way is dry them under the sun, under the sunlight. And that has been done traditionally, basically, right, especially at home. When you want to dry shiitake at home, that is the easiest and the best way. Okay, so step-by-step guide to drying shiitake mushrooms. One, choose fresh shiitake mushrooms. The best mushrooms for sun drying are fresh, firm, and dry to the touch. Avoid mushrooms that are slimy, wrinkled, or have spots. And two, clean the mushrooms. Wipe the mushrooms with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Do not wash them under running water, as this can make them soggy and slow down the drying process. Three, spread the mushrooms on a clean wire mesh rag or cheesecloth or any kind of rag basically, and place the mushrooms in a single layer on the wire mesh rag or cheesecloth. Make sure the mushrooms are not touching each other, as this can prevent them from drying properly. Four, place the wire mesh rag or cheesecloth in a sunny location. Choose a location that gets direct sunlight for several hours each day. A rooftop or balcony is ideal. 5, bring the mushrooms indoors at night. 6, repeat steps for 4 and 5 for 2 to 3 days or until the mushrooms are completely dry. The mushrooms are fully dried when they are brittle and break when snapped rather than bending. So tips for sun-drying shiitake mushrooms. If the weather is humid, you may need to bring the mushrooms indoors more often to prevent them from absorbing moisture. If you are concerned about insects, you can cover the mushrooms with a fine mesh netting. Sun-dried shiitake mushrooms will have a slightly different flavor and texture than mushrooms that have been air-dried or dehydrated. They will also have a higher vitamin D content. For this reason, it is better to dry them under the sun. Right. And also, it is usually better to do it in the summertime or when the weather is warmer. But it is okay to do it in autumn too, if you forgot to do it in summertime. Okay, so shiitake is part of mago wa yasashi. Mago wa yasashi is important healthy protocols in washoku, in Japanese diet. That means ma means beans, go means nuts and seeds, wa means seaweed, and ya means vegetable, and sa means fish, and si means mushroom because it comes from shiitake, shi from shiitake, and then i means potatoes. Right. Now, mago wa yasashi is critical for healthy diet because it is fiber-rich ingredients. Right. For more details about mago wa yasashi, please read my book, The Ikigai Diet. And the book contains some other useful information about Japanese natural dietary culture, such as Ichibutsu Zentai Shoku, Ichiju Sansai, Shindo Fuji, and Hare and Ke. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Bio-Hacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Yeah, have you ever dried shiitake mushrooms? Thank you. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!